Welcome everyone to Access2mobility. We're here on a semi-cloudy day looking at a new 2019 RST with Mr. Norris here. He's taken delivery a couple weeks ago, and it's been good so far, huh? Excellent. All right, well, let's go ahead and get in. I want to look at how everything's doing. So Mr. Norris is going to back onto his lock here. He's in a Q6, actually a Q6 Edge 3. It's a new 4-power unit. We custom built the truck and the chair together. So what our specialty is that we make sure that both of them work well together. You can also see this IGUS cable that we've created here that is very, very important to keep all the electronics and wiring safe as he gets on this platform. You'll hear a positive click when he gets in. Beautiful. Very good, Mr. Norris. Go ahead and load up for me. Now, these vehicles do run on a backup battery system. We do recommend that you start the vehicle prior to doing so. He's been driving for quite some time to get here, so his battery should be good and charged right now. You can see here that he's using a standard set of right angle controls. His knee just passes directly underneath those. That's part of the beauty of letting us do the chair and the truck at the same time. You can see the gas and brake. All right, shut it up, Mr. Norris. Let me go ahead and roll your window down once you get in there. Good looking truck. Love that color. It's called Cajun Red RST package. Thank you, Mr. Norris.
That's how it's done.
That's how it's done.